Are you looking for the best cordless finish nailer? In this video, we will break down the top 5 cordless finish nailers on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Porter Cable Cordless Brad Nailer Kit. Blessed with the flywheel mechanism, this device offers maximum power and stability. Also, the balanced center of gravity allows for comfort and steadiness for long working hours. It's lightweight and sports a low battery charge. This nail-firing guy has a lithium-ion battery, is designed to be tool-free, and it has an LED light. However, the light here is a dual system which casts a precise shadow of the tip, therefore, making for a perfect hit. Moreover, this nailer has a 100 nails magazine capacity with an easy load mechanism. However, its firing mode is only sequential, and there's no bumping option. But the brushless motor gives it a smooth and seamless operation. You can easily adjust the depth at which nails are fired by the depth adjustment wheel on the side. And if any jamming happens, you can easily fix it with the smooth jam release. This model has also been deprived of a dry fire lock, which could lead to damaging your working surface. Although a straight head is a power horse in large construction projects, it leaves the angles hanging. Tight places isn't a friend of this device. Nevertheless, it has a safety trigger that is placed further to the back. Although such placement may annoy some people, it's actually designed like that so that it doesn't get in your way. At number 2. Ryobi P320 Airstrike Cordless Brad Nailer. Ryobi P320 Airstrike Cordless Brad Nailer is another fantastic cordless nail gun you will find in the market right now. You will get full advantage of a battery-powered nail gun because of its strong battery. It can drive up to 700 nails in a single charge. And no more compressor or gas cartridges. It offers you high performance with great convenience. In addition, you are getting built-in LED light for better sight in low light. Besides, you are getting a belt clip for a more convenient way to store and carry it. For controlling the pressure, it comes with the adjustment dial. Other than that, this 18-gauge cordless brad nailer comes with a low nail indicator that ensures no misfire during the work. At number 3. CRAFTSMAN CMC-N616C1 Cordless Finish Nailer Kit. CRAFTSMAN CMC-N616C1 deserves the moniker of most improved when you consider its predecessor, the C3 Speed Shot. The new CRAFTSMAN has more nail driving power, a better sight line to its tip, and a more comfortable handle. These nails, with their heads standing proud of the surface, required an old-fashioned nail set and a hammer for us to finish driving them. That aside, this is a good, sturdy, and reliable nailer. At number 4. Paslode 900-5600 Cordless XP Framing Nailer. This framing nailer is amongst the most powerful they offer, and is driven by a fuel canister and battery combination to provide the power needed to drive nails into durable, framed construction. The fuel allows for working conditions down to 14° Fahrenheit. And the battery is capable of a 1.5 hour runtime, with a 200-shot, 2-minute fast charge to get your job done. At number 5. DEWALT DC618K XRP Cordless Finish Nailer. DEWALT DC618K XRP 18V is a cordless product that has an excellent engine design. This engine allows the equal nail penetration in the hard and soft joints without any trouble, and it works really very fast. In this product there are 2 modes, like sequential operating mode that greatly helps in the precision placement, and another one is the bump operating mode that facilitates the users with production speed. This product comes with the integrated LED lights so users can easily continue their work even in the dim lights. It has a DEWALT 20-degree angled magazine, and it can also utilize the other 20-degree angled nails. Feature of contact trip lock off is amazing as it helps to disable the trigger when the product is not in use.